Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I am here to present the line dance, Just My Way. The music is Just My Way. The artist is Benet, and the choreography is Belinda HAYWOOD. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. jam. It's a jam. You can just chill out and jam. Add your own little flavor to that. That's just my way. I'll post the instructional. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.